Would you like to know one of the best sunscreens we should use every day? Here it is, the Ultra White Sunscreen.
Hi there, I'm using Hikari Skin Essential Ultra White Sunscreen, and this is SPF 50. So it's showing in the packaging, it's protect and repairs and correct our skin. And the important here is lightweight lang siya. Ako kasi marami na ako na-try na sunscreen, but ang hinahanap ko is tinted like this. Hindi mo na kailangang mag-foundation or mag-powder in your face. Kasi sinakita nyo naman, napaka-tinted. So mga friendship, kailangan natin gumamit as in everyday ng sunscreen, especially pag lalabas or kahit nasa loob lang ng bahay. Alam niyo naman ang panahon ngayon, iba na ang tama ng araw sa mukha natin, especially the light. Lesson din ito ng, sign of aging. I recommend this Ultra White Sunscreen ng Hikari kasi maganda siya, promise. Almost 3 weeks ko na itong gamit, pero it's good, promise. Pak na pak ka na dito, maglagay ka na lang ng konting lip tint and konting pakilay effect. Ayun, ready ka na umaura. Bye! Thank you!